welcome back. If you want to learn the intro, I left a link in the description below. If you want to start from the singing part, stay around. But first, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, activate the notification bell so you won't miss a lesson, and let's start. In the first part of the song, there will be a picking pattern. It's very simple. We will play the bass note with the thumb, the index, the middle, and the ring finger. We'll play the D, the G, and the B strings. So it will be like this. There will be two strumming patterns that we learned from previous songs, so I'm going to state them while playing the song. If you missed them, here they are. So let's start. Well, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. Staring at the bottom of your glass, hoping one day you make a dream last. Dreams come slow and they go so fast. You see her when you close your eyes, hoping one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely dies. Well, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her